Hey everyone, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a product I just picked up when I went grocery shopping. Pretty standard, it's toilet paper. This is Charmin Ultra Strong, cleans better, use less. Charmin's been around forever. They have the commercials with the bears on it that you've probably seen a million times. It's a really good product as opposed to cheap toilet paper. It lasts a lot longer and it's softer. It's good in septic safe tank as well, which is good because I have a septic system in my house. So I have to be careful about that. So it's with 4 rolls of bathroom tissue. Total is 6.1 milliliters squared and 67 feet squared. The dimensions are 9.9 centimeters by 10.1 centimeters, 3.92 inches. There's 154 2-ply sheets per roll, which is definitely great. So a 4-pack should last a little bit. It's just me and my husband in the house, but he's always like, his nose is always runny, like with allergies and stuff. So he's always like using this as like tissues as well. So acts as both. I definitely have to be careful with certain toilet papers because even like they'll say they're septic safe. They're septic tank safe, and then half the time they're really not. So that could lead to all kinds of issues, especially with like the cheaper toilet papers. But this is a well-known brand, so I've never had that issue with these. 4 doubles, so they equal 8 regular rolls. So it saves you money and it saves you product. Saves the earth because it's less toilet paper rolls, of course. Flip to the back. It says, so clean and so fresh. Try a Charmin Fresh Mates for a fresh, clean feeling. They're on Facebook and Twitter. Join the conversation with Charmin and don't forget to enjoy the go. That's kind of gross, but they're funny slogan. And that's what they always say in the commercial with the bears as well. So they have other products too. Is that napkins there? They make like napkins and paper towels as well. Paper tube, so it's recyclable, plastic wrap, store drop off, recycle if clean and dry in USA. So there's a little website, howtorecycle.info, and then in Canada both the wrap and the tube would be recyclable in the recycle bins. It says FSC here, www.fsc.org, mix paper from responsible sources, and it's Rainforest Alliance certified. The company that distributes is Procter & Gamble. They have their website, www.pg.com. Quality, trusted, good housekeeping since 1909, limited warranty. There is the barcode in case you need it for anything. Or double rows, shows what it comes with based on number of sheets in Charmin Regular Roll. It's the website, www.charmin.com, and the number you could call if you have any questions. Charmin is safe for your sewer or septic system. Made in the USA from domestic and imported materials. Distributed by Procter & Gamble in Cincinnati, Ohio. Zip code Toronto. Copyright 2017 P&J. Patents, brevets, www.pg.com/patents. Warning: to avoid danger of suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. This is what the roll looks like, just your standard toilet paper roll, but I would say really soft, almost feels like a cloth, and then easy, just rip this up and it's ready to go. And then it has the tube inside, which fits right on your toilet bowl dispenser. Fits on all of them. And then after, you could just either throw this out, or I guess you could recycle it because of what it's made from. So really easy to use, and you could tell from like looking at it, and I know you can't feel it, but the softness, that it's different from like, say if you went to like, you know, the grocery store and just got like the generic brand. This is definitely a lot better. And I don't know about any of you, but like I said, a lot of the toilet tissue will say it's septic tank safe, and then it's not. And this 100% is, because I never had any kind of issues with it ever before. So this was Charmin Ultra Strong. Cleans better, use less. 4-pack of rolls, doubles. I'm sure you could get them in other sizes as well. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you all have a great day, and I thank you so much for watching the video. See you later, guys.